the hair like that.
Adorable.
I don't know him. He is completely and totally ridiculous. You're disgusting. I just want to let you know that. Out of my face now.
It's my jam on the radio.
Disgusting.
Oh my God, we're in a restaurant. Have some self-control.
Okay, you're the one speaking about it.
Self-control. No self-control, you shut up.
Shane, turn around.
Why are they looking at me? People are looking at me.
Okay. Oh my God, this is a travesty.
Where are the lyrics? That's just the way it is.
This is the dentist jam. They always play this at the dentist.
Shane, the little boy was like...
They don't like my do.
Like mine do.
We're good.